Morning, folks. Kevin here. Well, it's October 18th, 2025. I'm out in the shop right now. This morning's been a pretty busy day to start off with, and I'm still not feeling up to speed. I got quite a headache going on and my leg's still bothering me. But I got extra soil into the work area where the coop area where Thea does all the potting up plants, because her and Melissa had potted up a heck of a lot of plants recently, so we needed more soil over there, so we brought that over. They put it in some big pots outside, and I just got them inside with the green machine and my hand cart. I'll show you this hand cart. If I remember, I'll put a link into the place where I got it from. But this hand cart, if for homesteaders, farmers, this thing here really works extremely well. It's got a ratchet strap to help hold the unit. It has foot resources to go ahead and help with heavy loads as well. It's dual wheel, it's tandem. And it has adjustable forks that slide both ways. This thing has been just amazing for us and all, for moving heavy things around by hand, especially inside. Let me see what I was going to say. So I got that done. I did some cleaning up in here as well. Yesterday I had to get the new charger out and put a charge into Optimus Maximus. I've got it back outside. I noticed it was slow turning over. Buzz, the zero turn mower. Now I only used this, I think 3 times this summer, and it's just been sitting outside the whole time. It really needs a good cleaning, but I thought I'd bring it in and top off the charge on it, since it was turning over a little bit slower, since it hasn't been used really just 3 times, and which should have charged it up completely. Used just 3 times this year since, last year. So hope that makes sense. So anyways, I do want to try and get more materials inside, since we'll probably have the rain coming either later today or tomorrow. So I have a lot of stuff to pick up and clean up. I also have to get this guy out, ratchet out. I won't be doing that probably today. I'm going to get a little overdone here trying to get everything done, but I do want to clean the chimney, so the ratchet will be really handy for that. But I'm ready now to go ahead and put together my new DEWALT. So this is my combination sliding miter saw here to replace my Bosch, my really nice Bosch unit that got destroyed in the stand. So this stand, hopefully these two work out for us. I really do miss my old equipment and all. And I already assembled previously my temporary replacement. I'll say it isn't like my good workshop saw. Where is it here? It's hiding in here someplace. Oh, here it is down here. So this is my table saw that I'll end up using. It's really just a contractor saw, which I'll have to do for the work that I've got to do out here. I really like my shop saw a lot, but that got completely destroyed. So anyways, I'm going to see if I can get this sliding miter saw on and get the mobile workbench that it works on, get that assembled and see how things go. So here we go. Well, I got the stand together and got the saw mounted on the stand, and then I discovered that there's a defect with the stand. I'll show you. So the stand has a gas cylinder that helps with the weight of the unit on here by pressing this. You have two cables that will disengage, so there's a lock assembly. So I don't know if you could see, there's one lock there, and that one's working just fine. The cable's working. And I've adjusted the cables on this, but this assembly here that's under cover, so this cover here sits on top of this, and unfortunately, come on, Kevin, this is defective. It will not move, no matter what adjustments you have here, or the cable tension here, or the cable tensions here as well. I messed with this for like 45 minutes, and I called the 800 DEWALT number, and you speak with someone whose English is their second language. And I did get a number that's for Syracuse, New York, that I get called because I just wanted to troubleshoot and see what they could tell me. And of course, it gave me a number that's no longer in service. Syracuse Industrial Materials, I think is what it was. And so that's a pain in the butt. And I ordered these through Amazon, so I'll contact Amazon. It's just a hassle putting these together, then taking them apart, putting them back into their packages and all. Just a real hassle. So anyways, that's the defective part right there. First thing I did do was adjust the cables so that I give it more tension, but that will not budge at all. I really have to shake the hell out of it to get it to open up. So just be aware that there could be this problem. Hopefully this is just a one-off issue and all. And just wasting some of my time. Oh Lord. All right. There we go.
They are fired up the green machine. Move those wood chips, laid them clean. Amongst the trees in the third food forest. With every load, I felt that chorus. The land we built with sweat and grace. Every tree, every root in its rightful place. Working the land under the big blue sky. Building our dream and we don't ask why. With the green machine and Elon by my side, we shape the earth, let nature guide. Elon's roar as the boulders roll, creating walls, it's a sight to behold. Protecting the pond where the waters run deep, guarding the soil where the earth does sleep. Each rock in place, a fortress strong, holding back time as the work goes on. Working the land under the big blue sky, building our dream and we don't ask why. With the green machine and Elon by my side, we shape the earth, let nature guide. Oh, we love those big rocks, mighty and tall. Each one tells a story, each one stands tall. Stacking them high with care and pride, they hold the land where dreams reside. The bigger they are, the stronger we stand. Building our future, shaping this land. Working the land under the big blue sky, building our dream and we don't ask why. With the green machine and Elon by my side, we shape the earth, let nature guide. The sun sets low, but the work ain't done. Every stone, every chip says we've just begun. In the still of the night, I see the day's trace, and know tomorrow brings another embrace. So I rest my head, dream of the land. Tomorrow's work is already planned. With the green machine and Elon's might, we'll keep on building from dawn till night. rocks laid. Love those work is already planned with the green machine and Elon's might. We'll keep on building from dawn till night. We'll work in the land under the big blue sky, building our dream and we don't ask why. With the green machine and Elon by my side, we shape the earth, let nature guide. Oh, we love those big rocks, mighty and tall. Each one tells a story, each one stands tall.
Well, things worked out, not as great as I would like them to work out today. A recap, this miter saw portable stand, it collapses and on wheels and all, supposed to and all. Well, it's defective. This clasp or connector here is supposed to spring open and it doesn't. I had hassles trying to contact the DEWALT. They sent me a phone number to an expert in Syracuse, New York, which isn't too far from here, but they're evidently out of business or changed their number. I did contact Amazon to see if they can send me a replacement, and then I'll contact them to pick this one up after that. Yeah, that's frustrating. So I didn't get any of the cutting done because my plan is to go ahead and start working on these walls and get them supported a little bit better. But that didn't work out. I was able to get a lot of the lumber from outdoors and put it in here. So this is all the new lumber. This is some of the salvaged lumber and all, but a lot of it can get cut up in good pieces and all. And so we shall see. This stuff's for the mezzanine supports here. Some of this is for the wall that's going to go up against that wall right over there to support the mezzanine off that end. I'll have to buy more lumber as well. These are pieces that were cut-offs. We'll see if I can use some of those. I'm not sure yet. I got some of the metal in that was delivered for the roof and for the cap. There's eaves and all, and a pallet of more of the 2x4s. That's for the wall over there as well. At least it's in out of the rain. Outside here, I got a lot of stuff picked up out here, or we did. He helped me get the tarp folded up, which was very handy. The breeze picked up just as we were doing it. She's been very busy working in the nursery and working in the house, and she's out in the sugar shack now. So I got the lumber that was out there in here as well. I did go ahead and do a charge, put the battery charger on Buzz here, the mower. So that's taken care of. So didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done, but we'll be content with what we did get done, I guess. So yeah, not sure if there's going to be much video to show what's going on with all this and all, but I do appreciate you folks watching, your comments, and your thumbs up. I hope you stay safe and take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.